Hey guys, I'm making a 2-minute video on how to do transparent overlay graphics and videos for your YouTube videos, just to kind of spark them up and get them excited.
So what I do is I go to usually the Instagram templates. So for example, if you just wanted like these little star dots, you would just simply go customize this template and you'd get rid of all the other stuff, right? Like this. Let's flip that around so it looks a little bit more like it fits together. Let's see. Or you could make it open so that you could put some text in the middle of that when you're ready. And then you just simply go and you find an awful ugly green that you would never have in anything. So you've got this little thing here. And all you need to do is download this. And I'll show you how to use it in Final Cut Pro when we go and do it. And then now if you want just an image and a transparent image, let's say you commonly use a pumpkin, right? So then you just bring up the pumpkin and then you would just, let's grab this guy and go File, Create New Design. And we just want it like small, like 300 by 300. And we're going to stick him in there. And then all we need to do is download. And we want to download it as a PNG. We want it with a transparent background. And boom, he's downloaded.
And now we go over to Final Cut Pro and put this all together. Get this, it's so easy.
Here, I'm going to actually grab this video so we can put it on top of this, right? And then what we would do is import these. Okay, so we've got that video one and we've got this plain one, import. Let's say we want to do the video one and we'll just grab this and bring it above. Let's just say we wanted those two little sparkling stars right there. We also wanted some text. You've got this going now. It's got this ugly green thing. And then all you need to do is go, it's this little thing here. Click on keyer. And then on this one, you want keyer. And it goes away. Boom, boom. Yeah. You got a little pumpkin here. And then in the animation, it looks like this. And then in here, you can also resize this. Say you always want the pumpkin here. You have a pumpkin mascot. So there you go. And that's how you do that.